We both are Karthik and Sahana. We are basically from Bangalore. And I'm talking about this one beautiful book called Grit. What is grit? Grit is the courage to pursue your passion. And I've taken a very, I can say it's a very common topic, but not a lot of us actually, go through that. And the topic is interest. What do you mean by interest? I'm not talking about the bank interest. I'm talking about the interest that you have to to do something, maybe something that you like the most. And if we see majority of any speeches that we hear, they first says follow your passion. And how do we find our passion? We need to foster our passion to know what it is. And I'll talk about Jeff Bezos. Everybody knows who Jeff Bezos is. He's the founder of Amazon. So he walked out of a high-paying finance job just to pursue his passion. And this path towards passion is a very, very I mean, I can say it's not a very secure route. It's the road less traveled, right? So he walked out and he says that, whatever is that you want, and if you're not liking the thing that you're doing, then it's not called a passion, and you won't stick with it for long. And majority of us, we work or whatever, professionally that we are doing, we do it only because it's financially lucrative to us. It's not like we are doing it out of interest. And a couple of weeks ago, I was talking about from 25 ways of winning with people, and I was talking about this thing where you put people in their interests, the productivity will be more. And while I was just reading this and preparing for this topic, I also got to know that through a survey, 87% of people are just doing a job or a thing that because they have to do. So they are either doing it not engaged or actively disengaged. So do you get that? They're either not engaged or absent minded. So what happens? We are running with so many applications in a day, and we know, okay, next, this is the thing. I will close my eyes and do that work. How far are we giving and putting an interest to do it? So that's where naturally it goes through a period of time over maybe 10 or 15 years of work. You're like, we are all like, okay, I'm done. I know I want to do what I really want to do. So we come there, right? At one point of time, we come there, okay, let me figure out my passion. And so many people have this thought that passion is a one time discovery and it comes just all at once. But it is not like that. It is years of effort and years of keeping it in us, that we have to build interest. So that's where interest comes in place. So to get the interest out, it's what we need to do is foster our passion. And for me, I am a person who's extremely active. I love sports, I love being outside, I love dance. So nowhere I like work. Sitting at a place is not my thing. So similarly, all of us have our own interests. Probably for Karthik, he loves book club. For me also, I like book club. It's not like I did not like. Initially, I was like, okay, is it really my thing? But over a period of time, what happens is when we get to explore the other side of the other side of the passion part, you will get your answers and you will understand more. So now I think for the last 2-3 weeks, I could not talk in the book club for a lot of office hectic reasons. And I was missing it so much. And I was like, okay, so I really love this. So I started building. So I got to know that it is my passion. And to build, as I said, to foster your passion will lead to your interests, and you will know what you're really interested in. And I really want to like to end it with this quote: passion for your work is a little bit of your discovery. So that means you need to find out what your passion is. Second one, followed by a lot of development. So the passion needs a lot of development. It's not very instant. And then a lifetime of deepening. So discovery, development, and deepening your passion will increase interest and will increase productivity. You will enjoy living what you are and what you want to do. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share.
Amazing, Sana, as usual. Full of energy and full of inflection, voice inflection. I'm sure the passion inside your voice, inside the topic is so visible. I can see people smiling in the videos. So you did a great job, Sana.